BHAs. What are they? How do I do the peeling? How does the peeling solution act? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title of the video, we are going to do some peeling on the face. I am going to review AHA and BHA for the first time on my channel. I have used them for long now. Now I am all set to review them. So yes, if you are interested in AHA, BHA, hyaluronic, salicylic, any sort of acid, any sort of chemical exfoliation, consider subscribing to the channel because I am going to do a detailed review and informating videos on those topics. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. The link is below and you can just hit the subscribe button. So for today's video, we are going to review this peeling solution by brand DERMA. Yeah, this is their AHA plus BHA solution. So yes, if you are thinking of getting the peeling from the salon or dermat, just give it a break because you can do it at home, and I will show you that how you can do it at home. And let's just jump into the video. You'll find the review, product, everything about the AHA BHAs. So let us just jump into the video. Okay guys, before I move forward in this video, let me just tell you guys that what we are going to do in this video, we are just going to do a skincare routine. Basically the AHA BHA peeling solution is a skincare routine. It's a 10-minute skincare routine which you do on a weekly basis. So yes, this is basically a skincare routine which will deeply exfoliate your skin, just take out all that bad sebum, oils from your deeper layers of the skin, and then make your skin more radiant, more blemish free. So just before I start all the things and tell you everything about the product, I wanted you to know that what basically we are going to talk about. It's a skincare regime basically. So it is not a makeup video. It's not like the 10-step skincare routine. It's just a one product skincare routine. So let me just tell you about the product now. So the product we're talking about is the 30% AHA plus 2% BHA solution, and this is the peeling solution. Now this one acts for 10 minutes on your skin and you don't need to keep it for more than 10 minutes, and this is actually a weekly solution. You can do it twice a time, but it is done on that time when you're addicted to the AHAs, BHAs, PHAs, glycolics, all that acids on the skin. You don't go straight away for twice a week regime, and only do that if you have a very much acne prone skin, and if you are more magnetic to the dust and all those ingredients. If you don't produce so much of oil, you are not magnetic to all those ingredients, and if you don't have heavy acne on your skin or heavy blemishes on the skin, then I won't suggest you to use it more than a week. I use it once a week for the radiant skin effect, or for some of my blemishes which are under the makeup right now. Now first of all, this product is for 600 rupees. They give you 30 ml of product in this, and what you get 10% glycolic acid, 10% lactic acid, 10% mandelic acid, and 2% salicylic acid. Now this product is from the Make in India drive. This is a sulfate free, dye free, paraben free, and mineral free formula. And obviously the DERMA is clinically active formulation. It acts on deep exfoliation. It does deep exfoliation, and it has a normal 3.6 pH. AHA basically exfoliate your skin and give you a radiant glow, and BHA basically extract out all the sebum from your deeper layers of the skin and make it dust free. They basically break the bond which is between the dead skin and you can say the superficial radiant skin, and they just shed off all the dead skin. Now it has additionally candula which smooths and heals the irritated skin. Now when you use this acid, it produces a little bit of tingling sensation, and it can irritate your skin. So for that they have candula in this as well, and then it has chamomile which will take care of the skin with its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. So this is really good. Now this is an ideal product for those who are lousy and lazy in their skincare routine. I am not, but I need a deeper exfoliation on a weekly basis as well. So but for someone who just don't want to go for the 7-step skincare routine, it is really such a beautiful product for them. You can get a deeper exfoliation in just 10 minutes. I advise you to use it in the evening. This product should not be used in the morning. I'll just give you some instruction after I use it. So let's just take off the makeup and just talk about this product now, how it works, what should you do, what you should not do. I'll take off the makeup and we'll start applying it. I'm quite excited for this one. Okay guys, now I'm gonna start with the peeling, but I just wanted to throw it out in the air that if you start any skincare, if you want any skincare product to act on your skin, the first rule of using any product on the skin is to clean your face. Double cleanse, triple cleanse, 4-time cleanse, जितनी बार cleanse कर सकते हो कर लो. Okay, cleanse your face deeply so that there is no residue of makeup on your face, or there is no oil on the face, because that way they will act on, there is one layer on the skin and the skincare product is going on just another layer, so कोई फायदा नहीं है, उससे अच्छा तो ना ही करो. Okay, so the first rule of skincare is to wash your face completely, pat dry it, and then use the skincare product. Now when I opened it, something like this came out. Now this is a cute bottle of peeling solution. This is a glass bottle basically, and the dropper came separately. I just combined the whole unit, and this is such a great thing that it comes with a dropper. It makes it so easy to use on the skin. So this is how the dropper looks like. Now I have used quite a lot. I am not giving the review, but just got the product and giving the review वाला review. I've used it quite a much. I guess बहुत थोड़ा सा product रह भी गया हुआ है, ठीक है? So it looks somewhat like that, and it is such a flowy formula. You just can't say कि हाँ थोड़ा सा thick या viscous होगा. Such a flowy formula. Let me just show you. I'll just pour it in this only. It's such a watery formula. And the packaging is very similar to the ordinary minimalist. सभी same line पे है. I guess it's not plagiarism. I would say कि कुछ जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं वो किसी पैकेजिंग में ज़्यादा सूट करते हैं. सो आई गेस दैट इज़ वाई दे ऑल आर गोइंग विद द सेम पैकेजिंग. लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. फर्स्ट वी कैन अप्लाई इट, देन विल सी क्या होता है. With the help of this dropper, I'll apply it carefully. I'm not gonna go Instagram style. We're gonna apply it like that. Just pour, and side by side just circulate it on your face as well, so that you don't waste the product, and try to keep it like जितना पास हो सके, because that way the product won't spill. अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी हो जाता है तो you can just put your dropper here. So yeah, this is how I usually apply it. जैसे अभी it just went थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, तो I applied it on the face. I really like to apply this way. इससे product wastage बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. So this is how I apply it. Now same तरीके से I'll apply here. Oh, hair. It's so hot here in Chandigarh. I don't know where are you guys from. कैसा temperature है वहाँ पे? Oh, इतना ज़्यादा sweaty है that AC is off and I'm sweating. I'm not saying कि you don't have to massage it on the face. I'm just saying apply it like that so that product don't get wasted. क्योंकि flow इतना ज़्यादा flowy है that the moment you squeeze this dropper, it will just go down on your cheeks and won't do anything. Okay, make sure you apply first layer, then massage it like that, and then apply the second layer. We want it to be absorbed in the skin. ये नहीं कि ऊपर रह जाए. Then it's not gonna do anything. Okay, just massage it properly. Golden. Be absorbed. Yeah. I feel like enough product is on my skin, but थोड़ा सा क्योंकि once in a week regime है, रोज का regime नहीं है. So apply the product generously on your face because you want it to act as well. ये नहीं कि बस स्किन पे लगा दिया, हो गया, लगा डाला और धो डाला टाइप्स. No, we don't gonna do that. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes, 10 to 11 minutes, but not 12th minute, guys. This is an active chemical exfoliant, so you don't want it to harm your skin. You want good results from it. So कुछ products होते हैं जिनको थोड़ा लगाते हैं, so it comes in that category. So we'll just keep it for 10 minutes. I'll come again after 10 minutes. कैमरा की बैटरी भी लो जा रही है. 10 minutes में ये हो जाएगा dry, and then we'll see how it looks when it is dry. Okay guys, now this is sitting on my skin for 10 minutes. Now it has gone really sticky. You can see that, and the color is also somewhat opaque sort of now. So now I'm gonna wash it. Okay, the peeler is off. Now you can see this skin, and the skin looks so much brighter and cleaner basically. I really liked it. Now there are some things which you have to really take care of when you use it, after you use it. Now when you use it, do a patch test on your skin anywhere, but somewhere around the face. You can do it like here. अगर कुछ हो भी जाएगा तो it won't be visible. So always do it under your mandible. This is actually the angle of this bone is called mandible. So you can do it under this mandible bone. I'm a dentist as well. So you can do it here. And then secondly, when you apply it for the very first time, you will definitely feel tingling sensation. My skin is used to chemical exfoliants. Even then मुझे इतना tingling sensation हुआ था. I mean, मैं नहीं कहूँगी but I felt a lot of tingling sensation. Now I have a rescue for that as well. What you can do, अगर आपके पास वो fridge है जिसमें you have the compartment, जिसमें नीचे होता है fridge and then ऊपर you have freezer, just open it and stand in front of that fridge, and that cool breeze will coolify your skin as well. थोड़ा सा sensation होता है, लेकिन if you feel like it's tingling a lot, then just take it off. You don't need to go with this range of the product. I mean the 30% AHA. So you try first the milder products like the rose water with AHAs or BHAs in it. Try these products and then we're gonna step up on this level. So don't use if you have a strong tingling sensation. So this is such a good rescue for tingling. If you have tingling, just stand in front of your fridge. I do it every time. Thirdly, you start with the thin layer on skin. बहुत ज़्यादा light layer रखना है skin पे. ऐसे नहीं कि बस एक layer 2 layer, बहुत ज़्यादा effectiveness नहीं होएगी, tingling ज़्यादा होएगी. So don't go for tingling वाला बार ज़्यादा. Go for used to be वाला बार. हमें पहले product को अपने skin के used to करना है. After that we'll think about the results. So yes, if you are again using it for the first time, just apply a very thin layer. मतलब if possible 1 या 2 drops लेके पूरे face पे just massage it. Now what are the aftercare after you use any peeling solution? Now aftercare first is to wash your face with lukewarm water. मैंने lukewarm water वैसे करा नहीं because these days taps are so hot, तो पानी तो सारा गर्म ही आ रहा है, इसलिए I didn't boil the water or something, lukewarm the water. So this is the first guide. Then follow it with moisturizer. I have not applied moisturizer right now. I will apply it after the video. I just wanted to show my bare skin after the use of just the peel. So उसके बाद moisturizer, and then aftercare का सबसे ज़्यादा important जो aspect है या point जिसे कह सकते हैं is that apply a sunscreen. Never ever escape the sunscreen. Try to go very less in sun. Direct sunlight on the skin is very harmful for your skin. AHAs and BHAs की ज़्यादा बनती नहीं है sun से, तो avoid it. Avoid makeup for a day. So using it on Saturday night is totally perfecto if you don't go on Sunday weekends. आजकल तो वैसे भी नहीं हो रहा किसी का है, but okay. So completely avoid makeup and not using sunscreen on the next day. You have to definitely use a sunscreen. What is my review on the product? Such a beautiful product. It has really light concentration. Maybe 30% looks a lot, but if I see it with the results of other brands, बहुत ज़्यादा ही light concentrations है, which will not harm your skin in any way. At least it has not harmed my skin. Do follow me on my Instagram. I'm quite active there. Do some skincare and makeup related videos there as well. I'll just put up my I'll put up my Instagram handle on the screen right here, and you can also find all these things on the YouTube description bar. So open that bar, and if you now plan to buy this product, you can definitely check it out on my YouTube description bar. There is a link on there. Just click the link. You would be directed to the product itself, and buy the product if you like the review. First of all, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and then you can buy the product and let me know in the comments कि कुछ हमारे reviews were different or not. And that was all with the review. There might be some videos that would be coming on your screen. Just watch them in the meantime, and I would meet you in my next video. Let me know in the comments as well कि कुछ और video, any other content, any other suggestion, any other product review, anything you want me to review on the channel. I will definitely do that. And I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.